Hello everyone, this is Narendra. I'm the CTO and the co-founder of Robuslaw. As always, I was interested in the electronics field, so I did my graduation in the electronics field from AKTU Lucknow, and I did a 2-year job in a robotics company for IoT devices. So I started working with a startup. Then I got promoted after a few months to the CTO profile, as I was good enough in the technical things, and there I started my startup also in the smart city devices, as I found that people talking about the smart city, but without the smart devices we cannot talk about the smart city, of course. So we tried to find the innovative solution, and we come up with the smartphone connected devices so that people can pay for these devices and can access these devices easily. So hence we are trying to make the ecosystem for this smart city. So as of now, we are focusing on water dispenser and the portable toilets. So the major issue that we found in India, like unhygienic packing of the water bottles, as people are not aware with the quality, how important it for our body. So we are going to show the TDS value, that is the water quality, the focused quality would values in the dispenser also, in the application also, and of course it will be utilized for the future data analytics also. And the second, the major issue that we found, the dustbin overflow due to the scarcity of the dustbins, and also this excess use of the plastic bottles making the sea pollution, because it's still recycling is just a 25%, 75% goes like waste still goes to the sea and making the sea pollutions. And toilets in opens, making the dirty walls and the bad smells, also the major issue, at least in the city, that making the big impact. So, and the one major thing that we found is the cost, because like a lot of other devices, the tech devices nowadays coming to the market, but they just works a month or a year, just because their maintenance cost goes high. And so hence we focused on the cost, and we reduce like up to 50 to 80%, and others lot of other features that we are going to give with our solution, so that people can stick to our solution. And of course we are trying to give here the devices as like as good or the unique is possible. So we given a lot of other features also, like the solar like connectivity, so that we don't need any plug. We don't need to give the electricity from the outlet. We don't need to worry about the plugging it. And others, the flexible add-ons that we are giving here, so that people can utilize few things. First they can purchase, and later they can add other things as a they can purchase other things later for enhancing the like devices features. And everything is smartphone control, so we can see the water quality or other things like this water levels we in the phone itself. And others, like the we are as of now we are just done with the water dispenser as a product, but SmartWin just a designing we did. And for the portable toilets we are just like started this prototyping of the portable toilets, and we are done with the designs. And the fund that we are going to utilize is mainly we are like utilizing this fund for the R&D, like machineries, few things that we already have the few setup of the devices, but still, like as much possible, we could add some value to the electronics lab to making the robust devices, because electronics is the main thing that we did in the innovation things. So of course, we needed robust model, and the production of the 1020 devices need at least 3-4 lakh at least for the first devices, because first devices will take the mold, and that all like required much fund. Later on, the of course the cost will be reduced much, but as of now for the first devices we need like much fund. So these and this few 3-4 lakhs could go for the payrolls for the other developers, because we need to go for the now for the production. So we need to hire few proper team, because as of now we the core founders are from the technical, but still we need to now like move to the like production stage. So we need a proper team. And marketing also we could utilize 1 or 2 lakhs. And of course we are going to add our like investments also to making this possible. But as much support like we could get from the some other investment, that will be helpful for us. And this will be the like final look of the smart city after implementing our device. So we will be keep adding this like other devices also, and even we will give others vendors also to add the devices into the same thing into our ecosystem, so that they can use our APIs to access or implement these systems in the ecosystem, so that like people will take the benefit of this smart city service from the one dashboard and the one application.